The newest creation from Noble Collection, a masterpiece. You can display it on your coffee table for all your visitors to see. But if you want it to really be effective, you have to add one item to it. Go to Amazon.com, search under Motion Activated Sound, and buy this Sierra Tech device. You can either put it in the Jumanji bag or make your own case. You will have to cut a hole so the sensor can see through the material, but it will bring your game to life. You can record anywhere up to 2 minutes worth of sound on this device, and it is activated by the light changing when you open the case. It makes the item fantastic.